I'm here at RE Plus. I'm really happy to announce our SolarEdge ONE Manager that we brought here to showcase here at RE Plus. And so this is a fully integrated new product that we're launching in the market that's going to act as a replacement for our legacy CCG, our gateway that you guys are familiar with. So here we have a NEMA 4X enclosure, and inside we have our three-phase circuit breakers at 480 volts. That's where your voltage input is coming in. And then we have surge protection up here. We have our 24-volt power supply that's providing power for all the devices inside. And then we have a revenue grade meter that's just down below. So these would connect to your current transducers or current transformers. And then we have a cellular modem gateway up here. And then next to it is our SolarEdge ONE controller. So this is a new product that we're bringing to the US market. That's kind of the core intelligence behind what's inside the box. And then next to it is an Ethernet switch. And then down below, we have our connections for our external devices. So you have the ability to connect multiple meters for production, for consumption, really anything that you need for your projects. And then next we have the ability to connect our weather sensors, our environmental sensors. These are needed for doing performance calculations, performance ratios. And so we have a wind speed sensor, we have a irradiance sensor, we also have a ambient temperature sensor right here, and then we have a back of the module's temperature sensor. And so these help you as the O&M, the asset manager, the owner of the site, to be able to truly know how your system is performing. And so we're really excited to show that here at RE Plus.